Hi, Gautami.
Hello, Naveen. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Gautami. Thanks for asking. And shall we start our interview?
Yeah, sure. Before that, I want to tell something that
Yes.
I'm so happy to be in this video with you.
Okay.
I'm feeling very proud and blessed so that I can share my knowledge with everyone.
Yeah. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Could you speak loud? And Gautami,
Sure.
could you please introduce about yourself?
Yeah, sure, Naveen. I'm Gautami. I'm from Hyderabad and I had 4+ years of experience in my IT industry. And I have a good knowledge in API testing and manual testing. And coming to my hobbies, I love playing with kids and watering my plants. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's all about it.
Yeah. So, at present, which methodology people are following?
Present, we are following Agile methodology
Yeah.
in our,
So, yeah, how good are in API?
excuse me.
Yeah, how good in the API? Like out of 10, how many rating you are giving?
Okay, I can give 9 out of 10.
Okay. And see, I will give the one scenario. Could you please tell me
Mm.
how we will resolve that scenario? Okay.
Yes.
So I need some, for example, we have the Zomato is there. So we are using Zomato for
The
why we
food
are using Zomato?
for ordering a food.
Ordering of food. So for
Mhm.
example, today I want to know about how many orders are there. Today I want to know how many orders are there with using of API, which method we are using.
To know, we have different methods in API.
How many
So
methods?
we have post and put, get, and delete method and patch method.
Okay, tell me why
Post
we are
method is
using.
for post method is for creating a new request,
Mm-hmm,
and get method is to fetch the data,
mm-hmm,
and delete method is to delete the data, and
mm-hmm,
put is to update the data,
mm-hmm.
and patch is for to partially update the data.
Okay, so sounds good. You whatever you're telling that was awesome. So my question, I'm asking, I want
Yes,
to fetch the details. I want to know the details. At the time, which
yes.
method I can call?
We are using get method.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yes.
So why we are using the get method?
To know how many orders are there in Zomato, we have
Mm-hmm.
to fetch or something like we have to search. So
Okay,
then we have to use get method.
okay, cool. So I will give one more task. See, for example, I will tell you, could you please create a one get method? So at the time, what is your root cause and how you are going to create the get method?
To create a get method, first we have to take an URL.
Mm-hmm,
We need a request URL,
mm-hmm.
and we need the query parameter, path parameter,
Very good.
and the method.
Okay. So tell me
Yeah.
how you are going to create the get method in the Postman's Gautami.
In Postman, we are taking a request URL from the something like a Swag. We are using Swagger tool.
Okay,
So
only
from
one
this,
way,
we are
only
request.
one way to create the swagger, or is
No,
there
no,
any
no. We
ways?
have multiple ways. We have
Tell me
other
that
ways
ways.
that
Tell me that ways.
we can take URL from the UI
Okay.
from
What
by
is the meaning of UI?
inspecting. It is a meaning is user interface
Okay, cool. And
where we
next,
order food
that is the one way. Second way is
from UI, and second way is from Swagger. We use
okay.
Swagger and we bring request URL from there.
Okay, and one more way, third way.
We have two ways.
Only two
That's it.
ways. Are you sure?
Yes, for sure.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. Okay. Uh, Tell me like how you are going to create that API in the Postman.
Create a API.
Postman.
We are
Yes.
creating. First, we have to create a workspace, and
Mm-hmm.
then we have to create a collection,
Mm-hmm.
and then we have to create an API
Okay.
using methods and
Mm-hmm.
the request URLs and the
Mm-hmm.
required data.
Okay. Super. Gautami, I want to know, like, do we are maintaining body for the get method, right, Gautami?
No, sir. We are not using get body for get method. We use only for post method. We use body.
Why? Why
Only
only
post
post
method and
method?
post
Why
method
not
is
get
having
method?
body.
Why post method?
Because in post method we are creating a new data.
Okay.
So we want that body. But
Mm-hmm.
in get method we are just fetching it. So we don't require a body to fetch. Already
Okay.
there the data is there in post method. Already we have
Okay.
created and the created data is there.
Okay.
So
So,
there is
like,
no need of
how you
creating.
are going to create the post method in the postman?
In Postman, same as the get method only. From we can take the request URL from
Uh,
its UI.
Same as the get method. Get method, I have the body,
No, no. We get method, we don't have body.
but you are telling now both are same to create that post and get.
We require body to create a post method, but we
Okay.
don't require body to create get method.
So when we are getting 405, Gautami.
405 is method not found. If we are giving wrong method, then we
Okay.
are getting 405.
Okay. 401 when we are getting 401.
401 is a unauthorized.
Okay. Tell me what is the
Unauthorization.
meaning of the unauthorized and when you are getting the 401?
When you are not if you have an access,
Mm-hmm.
so we are getting 401.
Okay. Gautami, like, for example, I will give the one scenario. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have one registration page are there. Student registration form is there. Okay.
Okay.
So in the student registration form, okay. So I think, do you have any experience with the database testing?
No, actually.
Okay. Cool. See,
I,
so the student registration form is there. So after the registration in the UI, how you will confirm that form is successfully submitted or not?
but in that the UI, we give the required data
Mhm.
by
Okay,
seeing the alert. By seeing the
super.
alert, that is, we know that that is submitted or not.
Okay. So by seeing of the alert, you are confirmed that submit button is
Yes.
successfully submitted. Am I right or
Yes.
not?
Yes.
Yes, cool. So how you are going to check the alerts in the UI? For example, I'm giving, please verify the alerts. So how many ways you are going to, how many ways, how many cases you are writing for the alerts?
We can write multiple ways to test or write the test cases for alert.
Mm-hmm.
First, we are giving the input data and submitting the. Suppose you told me that a student form is there. So
Mm-hmm.
we are giving the data and we
Mm-hmm.
are submitting it and we are
Mm-hmm.
checking that that alert is coming or not. Something like
Okay.
OTPs.
Okay.
OTP is an alert.
Mm-hmm.
So if I am giving my credentials to it, my
Mm-hmm.
something like my phone number, so
Mm-hmm.
that I'm clicking on the submit button, and
Mm-hmm.
if I getting the message, that is an alert.
Okay. How you are confirmed that alert is correct or not? So you are checking the time period for the alert.
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah,
what is the difference between
clicking
alert and pop-up?
alert and
Pop-up.
pop up. Alert is if we do anything only, we get the alerts. If
Okay. When
we
we are getting the
enter
pop-up.
pop up, that user web itself gives us pop up. If any issues are there,
Yeah.
so it will tell the
Okay. Cool. So what is the difference between the authenticator and authorization, Gautami?
authentication is for only one person. Authenticator. He will be only one member, and
Mhm.
he will do different type of authorizations.
So how many types of authorizations do we have in the API testing?
We have different types of authorizations in in Postman.
Okay, what are that?
Those are no auth,
Mhm. Mhm.
basic auth,
Mhm.
and auth 2.0,
Mhm.
value token.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me like how that tokens are working, how the authorizations are working.
Uh, for authorization for no auth, didn't require any credentials, but
Mhm.
for basic auth, we require username and password. And for barrier token, we need some tokens. And for auth 2.0, we need a client ID and client server.
Okay, super. So, what is the difference between the import and export, and why we are using these fields in the Postman?
Yes, actually, importing is in Postman. If we want to take a file from UI, we are using import.
Mm-hmm.
And if we want to give the some of the collections, we want to share some of the collections to other person, we'll use export.
Okay, super. Sounds good. And what is the difference between the environment variable and the global variable, and why we are using?
Global variables are defined where we define the global variables means they are available through all the collections.
Okay.
Everywhere we can use those the global variables, and local environment variables are local variables where we have to use them within the environment.
Okay. Could you please share your screen?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Am
Okay.
I visible? My
Yeah.
screen.
Yeah. Yes. I shared the one link in the chat box. Could you please open the link, and could you please open in the Chrome? Do you have the Postman in your laptop?
Yes, yes.
Could you please open? Parallelly open link on the Postman Chrome.
Mm.
So what is the difference between that delete and get?
Delete and
Get.
get in that we are just fetching the data, and in delete method we are deleting the data from the server.
Okay, what is the difference between the request body and response body, and why we are using request body, response body in the Postman?
Request body is where we are giving input in Postman, and response body is uh, the it is the output from the API, output of the API we have requested.
Okay, could you please create a workspace with your name here?
Yeah, sure.
Could you please click on allow access? Allow access, click on allow access.
Yeah, I have done, but something is
Yeah,
wrong with
private
this.
network. Could you please click on the private network? Otherwise, click on check marks private. Yes. Could you please create a workspace with your name?
Yeah, sure.
Gautami task. Put as the name as the Gautami API task. Do you know how to create the workspace?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gautami API task. Okay. Very good. So I shared one URL. Could you please open the URL in the Chrome?
Chrome.
So what we call this one? What we call this one, Gautami?
This is a Swagger
So
URL. This is
how
a
you
Swagger
are
is a this is
confirming?
a pet Swagger.
Super. So how you are confirming which API, how it will be work? Could you please what you understand the first four methods? So in the we have paid collection are there. So what are the four methods we have here? Post, and next.
Post, and here put and get.
So what you are understanding about these four methods? How you are understanding this Swagger flow? So
Yes, yes.
what
Actually,
exactly first one says upload an image, how it will be work?
yes, here a post method is there. By seeing the here the name itself says that it's to upload an image.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
and next, here post, as I already said that post is to create a new data to the server. So
Mm-hmm.
here we are adding a new pet to the store. Here clearly visible there.
Mm-hmm.
So and put is for updating an existing pet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and next here get method to find the pet by the
Mm-hmm.
status.
Okay, this way we are understanding.
Yes.
Could you please create one pet here and upload an image? Could you please create? I will. You can use first method and second method. How you are use, and now you are create the post method in the postman. Could you please show the small demo?
Yeah, sure. Here in post, we are
Mm-hmm.
adding a new pet.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so to add a new pet, to enable this uh, request body, we have to click on try it out
Okay.
so that we can change the body. So
Okay.
here I'm giving, here the pet name is doggy. So I
Mm-hmm.
am giving the name as Miko,
Mm-hmm.
and this is applicable application is JSON, and we are executing it.
Mm-hmm.
Here we are checking for the response. This is
Mm-hmm.
the request URL, and
Mm-hmm.
this is the code we are getting.
Mm-hmm.
This is getting it 200 as successful, and here we are getting an ID. This is the
Very good.
response body.
Mm-hmm.
This is the ID.
Mm-hmm.
So by this ID, we can know that we have created a pet,
Yeah. Yeah. Could
new
you
pet.
please create this post API in the postman? Do you know how to create the this method in the postman?
Yes. Yes. By taking this request URL,
Mm-hmm.
we can create a post method. In this, we have to create a new collection.
Mm-hmm.
I'm renaming this collection as pets.
Mm-hmm.
And here we are creating APIs.
Mm-hmm.
I'm changing the name as this is adding a new pet. So I'm writing new pet, adding a new pet.
Mm-hmm.
So here, as I have taken post method, I'm taking post and giving the request URL. So, and we need body to create a post method.
So without body, it will be not work or not?
Without body, it won't work.
Okay. Okay.
I'll show you. Just with, I didn't gave the body here.
Mm-hmm. So response body we are unable to see, right?
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
Here we are request body and this is the response body.
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't give the body here. So I
Mm-hmm.
got the error as 415, that is unsupported medium.
Mm-hmm.
Now I am giving the body. Here
Okay.
in body,
Mm-hmm.
in raw, we are giving the body.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. Yes. I'm clicking on save and let's see what happened. Yes, 200.
Okay. Okay. Good.
And here
Good.
we are getting the response body. This is
Mm-hmm.
ID.
So how you are going to upload a image in the postman? Could you please show one demo on it?
Yeah, sure. Here we got an ID. So we
Mm-hmm.
have to take the ID from here.
Mm-hmm.
So here we have to upload a image. In this method, we have to upload an image. So first
Mhm.
we have to enable it. We have to click on write out,
Mhm.
and then we have to give ID here, and there here we have to choose our file from our
Okay.
laptop.
Okay.
I'll give some image.
Mhm.
Let's see. We'll execute and what
Mhm.
happens. Yeah,
Okay.
we are good.
Okay. This one okay, but how you are going to create this upload image in the Postman?
Yeah, sure. Here in form data, we have to upload the file.
Create one more API. You don't write here.
Yeah.
Create one more API. Do you know how to add one more API under the collection?
Yeah, yeah. First, I'll duplicate it
Mhm.
in the post method. In this here, here we are having the body, and here we have to upload it. I'm giving the file name here, and I'm selecting file.
Mhm.
Here, I'm adding the file.
Mhm.
Yeah, only JPG, and PNG file will be accepted by Postman.
Okay.
So
So,
I'm
for
taking
example, how you are going to create environment variable for this API? The environment name is QA. How you are going to create?
QA.
Yeah.
Okay, here I'm
Could you please create a environment variable?
first we have to create an environment here.
Mhm.
I'll give the name as environment. Yeah, in collection, I'll take the local. Is that a local environment or a global?
Local environment. You can create the local environment.
A local environment. I'll rename here. In collections, we are using a local environment. I'm naming this. I'm adding a request here. I'm taking post method.
Mhm.
And to declare, here we have global variables also.
Mhm.
As I created environment here,
Mhm.
here we have to give that token name I'm giving here by default, and I have to copy the URL. In post method only, I'll take that. Okay, that will
You
be
can.
easy. Already we are having a URL. We have to take only the URL. I'm pasting here.
Okay.
Right.
You saved or
Here
not?
I'm getting. Yeah, yeah. I have to save it. Right. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Nice.
Yeah, this way we are creating variables.
Yeah. Cool. So, what is the drawback of Swagger, Gautami?
In Swagger, we can create at a time only one API. In Postman, we can create multiple APIs. This is the advantage
So
of Postman.
we are creating API in the Swagger. Are you sure?
So we are testing an API. We are testing
Okay.
an API in Swagger.
Okay. Um, why we are using the uh, request body to create a post method? Without request body, shall we run the API? It will be work
In
or
Post
not? Is it work?
in Postman,
Yeah.
it won't work.
Without request body, the API will work or not?
No, no. We in API testing, must and should we want request URL and the request body and the response body.
Okay. Okay. Mm, yeah. I'm good with you, Gautami. Um,
Thank you.
team will get back to you. Do you have any questions?
No, no, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.